Okay, so it seems like the setup is stable. Here's my Emacs window. I can switch to my buffer, which has the solver in it, and I can start just going through the uh, hello world of the logic programming, which is modeling a zoo. So we have a zoo, and in the zoo we have an elephant that is of course bigger than, for example, the monkeys in the zoo. And well, the monkeys are not the smallest things in the zoo. Well, maybe we have, what is smaller than a donkey? Maybe cats, right? And we also have, well, cats are bigger than ants. So bigger cat ants. So these are facts that I'm writing, right? So this would form my database. And I would open up my terminal and I would reload this file here in my Emacs. Press Ctrl L to clean this screen, and ask queries like this, like find the suitable x and y so that the bigger relationship hold, and I press enter. It finds one pair for me corresponding to line 1, another pair monkey cat, and another cat ant. Well, that's 5, right? And then they say, well, is elephant bigger than an ant now? And I guess we expect the answer to be yes, but our modeling of the world is incomplete, so you're gonna get a no. So we need to extend this relationship so that what mathematicians would say, it would be transitive. That is, elephant is bigger than monkey, and monkey is bigger than cat, and cat is bigger than ant, then we can infer that an elephant is bigger than ant. And the way they write it in Prolog is like this. They say, well, x is bigger than y if we immediately know that the relationship based on their facts holds. Another thing is that if we can find something in between so that we can take one step from that, so that's introduce a new variable, and then is bigger holds between z and y. So we break it down into smaller steps. So if I load this again, so I need to load the file. If I don't load the file and run this is bigger, it's gonna give me an error. It says, oh, I don't know, is bigger /2. /2 means it's a binary relationship, right? 2 elements it gets. That's a Prolog convention of letting people know the arity of relationships. So, oh, it's undefined. So that's because we need to reload our file. So let's run the query again. So I can even ask what sort of thing the elephant is bigger than. It says, well, it's bigger than monkey, okay. It's also bigger than cat. Elephant is bigger than cat. Because it says, oh, elephant is bigger than monkey and monkey is bigger than cat. So in this case, our z would be monkey. Then yeah, also the ant, so that's really good. And there's no other alternative, and it says false. So we got our is bigger between elephant and ant, whereas before loading this file, loading this file, we had an error and our bigger relationship didn't really serve us. So that's really cool.